Your vehicle is not starting due to dead battery. The option left is now jump starting. In this video, we will learn about the safe step-by-step procedure of jump starting, what not to do, when jump start won't work, and why it won't work. Jump starting is nothing but starting a vehicle which has a dead battery using a vehicle which has a good battery or using a portable booster pack. Before you connect anything, make sure that both the vehicles are having same voltage system and the same ground polarity. Voltage system either can be 12 volt or 24 volt, or the ground polarity usually it comes with a negative polarity, but make sure that both are same. In case if you are in doubt, refer the manual to make sure both are having same polarity or voltage system. In case if you are using any other voltage system or ground polarity, it may damage electrical and electronic components. Now check the battery's physical condition thoroughly. Check for cracks, leaks, swelling or corrosion. If you find anything of this sort, please don't attempt jump starting, call the technician. Now park the vehicle at least 1 meter apart, either nose to nose or side by side. Avoid touching of each vehicle. This may cause spark. Preparation, what you have to do is, first of all, turn off ignition, make sure the headlamps, AC, radio, everything is off for both the vehicles. Apply parking brake of both the vehicles. You wear insulated gloves for your safety. Choose the correct jump cables. Heavy duty insulated cables which is having 600 amperage at least. In workshop they are using higher amperage like 800 amperes. Now how to give connection? We have two cables, one in red in color, another is black in color. Red color probe is meant for positive connection, black for negative connection. Pick up one by one cable. Don't pick up both together because it may cause if unwanted touching each other and some spark. Let us pick up red probe first. We have two vehicles. One is having good battery, another one is having dead battery. Red cable connected to positive terminal of the good battery and other end connected to the positive terminal of dead battery. Now pick up black cable, connect the donor car at the negative terminal of the battery. In dead battery, you connect it to the chassis, not with the battery. Suggested places are either engine block or a chassis frame or a strut tower. Why we are doing like this? These batteries may emit hydrogen gas which is very explosive. The sparks during the connection may cause an explosion. If you connect it in chassis, the chance of risk of spark is reduced. Always make sure that one end of the black cable should be connected to the chassis of dead battery vehicle. The procedure of jump starting. Start the donor vehicle first. Let it run for 1 or 2 minutes so that the voltage stabilizes in the battery of donor vehicle and the charges are reaching to the dead battery vehicle. Now try starting the dead battery vehicle. If it is starting, it is fine. If it is not starting, don't give long crank more than 5 to 6 seconds or multiple attempts continuously. This may overheat the starter motor. If it is not starting, wait for 2 to 3 seconds, then attempt next start. Once the dead battery vehicle is started, switch off the vehicle which is having good battery, then The disconnection procedure. Disconnection procedure in the reverse direction. Reverse direction means we have to disconnect black cable from the dead battery first, then from the good battery remove the black cable. Next one, the red cable from the dead battery side, then from the good battery side. Why we are doing this procedure reverse direction? This is for safety. This prevents any spark of the battery, reduces the risk of explosion. Make sure that you are following the correct connection and disconnection orders. What you should not do, using improper, not having color coded jump cables, not follow the correct orders for connection and disconnection. Always keep the connections tight and clean. Connect the black cable only to the chassis of the dead battery. Keep the battery always upright. Make sure that you are wearing proper insulated gloves. What you should not do, other way, reverse polarity which may destroy your electronics. The clamps are loose and connecting negative terminal of the dead battery. Cranking the engine continuously which may damage the starter motor, and using improper cables, attempting jump starting with the leaking or a cracked battery. Many times we have seen people are taking some shortcuts. It can be due to ignorance or it can be due to overconfidence. Either way, it is wrong. We should not attempt this. What is the shortcut they are doing? They are using a good battery and place it upside down on the dead battery and attempt the start. This you should never do. Why we should not do? We know that there is some hydrogen gas coming out of the battery which may cause an explosion. It may cause a fire due to short circuit. It may cause a personal injury due to slipping of the battery, and maybe some acid may fall down the body and which may cause burns in our body. Sometimes there is a possibility because of the voltage spikes, ECU or electronic components may get damaged. Sometimes battery itself may get damaged. Don't do any shortcuts like this which may end up in either the material or the person who is doing his damage. There are some occasions where jump starting may not be successful. One is if battery is having an internal failure, the cells are shorted, then jump starting won't work. If starter motor is failed, jump start will be a failure. If connections are not properly given, corroded connection, loose connection, we will not be successful in giving a jump start. If there is a mechanical failure in the engine system, again jump start won't work. Hence, follow the proper procedure like how to give the connection, how to disconnect, what are the safety precautions you have to do, and be safe while working on the vehicle. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment with your questions, share with your friends for more videos to come. Thank you for watching the video.